How to turn off or on group calls in call history on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it easy and quick. First go to Truecaller, and once you're here click on your profile here in the top corner, and after that click settings, and then scroll until you find calling. Here is it. Now just click on it and scroll down until you find this one, group calls and call history, and that's it. You can turn it off or on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.